little newer model vehicle here at Unique Specialty and Classics. This one's a 2024 Chevrolet Colorado Crew Cab 4x4 with the ZR2 package. And listen to this, one owner, clean Carfax, actual miles on it at the moment, 2,503 is all. That's right, 2,503. Radiant red tint coat, which was an upcharge on the window sticker in 2024. Jet black and Artemis interior. 2.7 liter Turbo Max underneath the hood. It's paired up with an 8-speed automatic transmission. Of course, your modern equipment with the power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. Also, some tasteful adds to this truck have been done. Cold air intake underneath there. We're going to check out that engine bay in a little bit. You're also going to see has had these driving lights or fog lights added, a LED light, and take a look at that front end. This is a great looking truck in person. Looks as good in person as it does the pictures and the videos. And speaking of pictures, take your time looking through them all. UniqueClassicCars.com. You're going to be able to see this truck from every angle, underside, interior, engine bay. Check them out. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. Beautiful wheel. And that is the stock wheel. Wrangler. Goodyear's on there. Let's take a look down this passenger side. You can see the paint. It's not full of nicks, dings, scratches, touch-up, chips, anything like that. Do have the rock guards or mud flaps, whichever you would prefer. It also has a performance exhaust. A Flowmaster performance exhaust has been added. See, the windows have also been tinted. Nicely done. Know your local and state laws and percentage of window tint that you can have. Make you aware of that. Nice Lear fiberglass cap here. Now I'm going to show you in the bed in just a second too. But once again, those still pictures, UniqueClassicCars.com, and you'll be able to take your time looking through the still pictures of the bed. I'm going to turn this to unlatch it. All right, check this out. Actually, fabric underneath there with the Chevy logo. We have the spray and bed liner, bed organizer, spray and liner, and a bed mat. So nice accessories added to this. Now, as far as the window sticker, you're going to be able to see that in the still pictures. So I mentioned the ZR2 package, of course. That would come all with all the equipment in that. Also has a power sunroof, the technology package, premium auto system, 342 rear gears. If you like Chevy trucks, no matter what year, obviously, here's a little newer one. And obviously, if you've watched our website or our videos before, you know we get a lot of older trucks in also. So go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily. When these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase, and you can see that paint has a beautiful shine to it. And again, free of nicks, dings, scratches. It's like this thing rolled off the showroom floor. It's that two-tone interior. A lot of room in the back of these two. And of course, all your standard features you're going to get on the Colorado. Of course, the power windows, power locks, power mirrors, memory seating. Of course, bucket seats up front here. Tilt column, steering wheel controls. I think we should fire this up. WeatherTech floor mats have been added. So there's your exact miles, 25,003, excuse me, 2,503, 2,503. No service engine soon, check engine, anything like that. ventilated seats if you see up here. It's dual electronic climate control. Of course, your auto four-wheel drive mode, four-wheel drive high, four-wheel drive low. And that power sunroof up above. Nice sounding truck too, that performance exhaust. Slip around to the other side of this, take a listen. Might as well take a peek underneath the hood here too. Let me slip up to the front. Let's go ahead and pop this hood. Take a peek underneath there. See how it looks, and then, like I said earlier, Jason will take it for a drive in just a bit and show you how it goes down the road. Alright, underside of the hood, hood liner, spotless, again like new. And engine bay. Again, 2.7 liter Turbo Max. There's that cold air intake, you get a good look at it. Nicely done. And an 8-speed automatic transmission paired up with it. Very, very clean. Now, any questions on the equipment, check out the window sticker in the still pics. Any questions on the nice additions that have been done to this truck, call a sales associate at 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. All the still pics, probably over 100 of this truck online. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt, gas it. Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a beautiful 2024 Chevrolet Colorado ZR2. That's the off-road package. The perfect height for these little trucks, I think. Got some off-road tires and some fender flares. Also the ZR2 hood. This is an automatic right here on the center console. So it's easy to drive. We have digital gauges on the screen. And they are all working as they should, beautifully. This vehicle is practically new. I would say it is new. And it handles as such. Corners nicely. Everything looks like new to me. Perfect seats, steering wheel. The radio sounds great. Change your modes. Four-wheel drive, your traction modes on the fly. All the modern amenities you can imagine. I have a glass moonroof over my head. When full-size trucks are getting so big, you can practically make do with this. If you're looking for a small truck, it's not as small as they used to be, but it is ideal. The AC's blowing ice cold. It's got a nice hum to the exhaust. Plenty of room in the back in a crew cab style. So bring the family with you. Take a look at all the pictures of this ZR2 from Chevrolet. The Colorado, the kin to the S10. Remember the S10? Another great truck. Take a look at all the pictures of this ZR2 at uniqueclassiccars.com.